Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie. And I know it's Friday today guys, but we're not going to make a crypto market roundup because of the simple fact that we're very bearish, right? And that means there's just not much going on in the market. And I would be wasting you guys' time and my own time as well to go over every single coin because there's just not that many opportunities right now, okay? But what I do want to talk to you guys about today is Bitstamp, all right? Bitstamp with Bitcoin to the dollar, because Bitstamp is a chart that's been around for a long time, all right? So we're gonna look at what happened since basically 2012, okay? So we're gonna start all the way back here, all right, guys? So what you can see here is that we had a massive run up, okay? So it looks very similar to what we have right now. And we just went up, right? And then we fell. Okay, so you had your double top here, boom, boom, double top, back down, and then to the 200 EMA on the weekly. We're looking at a weekly chart here, guys. So this is for a whole week, right? And then after that, $214 or something. That's why my new Fibonacci starts there. We just had a massive run up, and that's our run up to 20k that everyone's aware of. I don't know. So yeah, it went all the way nearly to 20k, right? And now we are back at the 200 EMA, guys. Right? This is a very important line to hold. You can see how important this is, guys. This is the weekly 200 EMA, right? That means 200 candles on the weekly chart, meaning that is the average price of this red line, the 200 EMA. So we need to hold here. We can also see that this is the 0.786 Fibonacci level. I know there's still people screaming for 3K, and it's very possible, guys. But if that happens, it can only be a wick, okay? So that's for a weekly chart, right? So maybe we'll plop down there, go back up. So just don't panic, okay, guys? That's something that I have to tell you. Unless you just don't believe in Bitcoin or blockchain at all, then of course we could go bearish. But other than that, we simply need to hold this 200 EMA. The red line is just very important here, okay, guys? And it's the 0.786. So we simply need to hold, guys. And that's why sometimes you just need to go on a different chart than Bitfinex or Binance or any of these new ones, right? Because Bitstamp simply has been around way longer, all the way since 2011, if you look here where the chart started, right? And you just have a lot more data to go by. And let's also take a look at just the swing here, right? So we're going to take a look at this swing for the Fibonacci level, right? I actually need to get the low here. So probably around here, right? This so proper low. Okay, so and I need to drag that to the high. Here's the 0. Drag that up. It's so hard to do this, guys. Here's the 0, right? There we go. Okay, so first little run up here, and but I actually counted if I do take this run up as well, right? So all the way up here, right, to like 1100 or so. And what you can see here is that the 786 once again played a very important role. And whether you take this low, so we took the low right now, right? Or you take, if you consider this already as a whole swing, that's fine. We can look at that as well, right? And we'll take, I think then this is the low, right? Yeah, this is the low. Well, what you can see here is, well, then you get the 886, right? But still the 786 is playing a very important role. But most importantly, guys, is that 200 EMA. We went down, and here's the 200 EMA starting, right? Because you had 200 candles finally, and we could start with the line. And basically it started here, okay? And ever since then, we just went up, 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 up. But you see how slow the red line goes up, right? Basically, this is your biggest support, guys. This is your biggest support. This needs to hold, okay? If we cannot hold here, then we are officially very, very, very bearish. So the weak candles, guys, need to hold above the 200 EMA. All right. Now we're gonna just zoom in a little bit on the 3-day here. Obviously, we're below the 3-day here. You see how long we held here on the 3-day? That's because it's very strong. Right? That's just how it is. All right. So the weekly simply needs to hold, guys. Okay. Also, if we look just at, look how oversold this is, guys. All right, 15 RSI, 3-day 20 RSI, weekly is soon even oversold. When have we been oversold in the weekly? That's all the way back here, right? January 2015, which kind of told us like, well, this is the end of the bear, right? And it's getting to those levels again very, very soon. I mean, just compare it, right? So we're just looking at some comparisons here. And once the market goes back bullish, I'm, for sure going to make videos about the crypto market roundup again. But for now, it's just not worth it. It's just not worth any of our time, because if Bitcoin's not going, then the other coins just don't expect it, right? There is like coins, of course, look at like what's uptrending, so you can make some trades. But with this, like, I can go over like my whole crypto market roundup, but I would simply say like it's bearish, 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 right? Because there's so many are bearish at the moment, okay? So you can't do much, right? Except for shorting. You can short the market, but right now I wouldn't even do that either. So you're kind of in a situation where you should be just sitting on your hands, right, and not trade at all, because, well, we're at this 200 EMA. So if you want to buy is okay. Put your stop right under here and let it go, okay? But you can definitely get wicked out. So that's also an option, right? That could happen as well. But the 200 EMA, guys, is our big guideline, all right? So that's basically what this video is all about. And we just need to hold here, and probably we're going to consolidate it for a while, right? So the weekly. So let's just take a look at what happens after it hits the 200 EMA. So here it hit the 200 EMA, right? And then you go back up to your 55 EMA, so this orange line. So who knows if we will do that right now as well. If we would do that, then we plop here, right? And then we go back to the orange one. So around $6,800, 67, 68. And then go back down again to make some kind of double bottom. Right? Exactly what happened here. So, it just consolidated here, right? First it hit the white, then it hit the orange later. And then eventually we just broke bullish, right? So definitely watch the weekly. If the weekly 21 can get over the 55, then we get into this bullish trend once again. Okay, so that is all you need to watch for, and this is more of a zoomed out perspective on the whole market. All right, guys? Also, guys, I have a Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Pygoz. You can check it out, check which tier fits you, and if you want to become a Patreon yourself, you can always get your all your benefits through PM, right? You can PM me on both Telegram and Discord, and just check, ask for me to look at your charts, right? If you get that. Also, of course, you can PM me on patreon.com itself and get it through there. Alright, guys. Also, join up with the CryptoPies blog where you can ask me any questions, ask other people questions. And it's just a great chat box to be in, right? Let's see what's going on here. So not much, guys, because there's just not much to talk about, right? So, but anyways, we have a chart here, so that's cool. Penman, thanks a lot for this. Let's take a look at what's going on here. So with Ripple here, with some kind of inverted head and shoulders. This is very interesting to see. I'm definitely still looking, that's the only really chart I look at every day is Ripple, because Ripple is still bullish, right, compared to all the other ones that are rather bearish. But Ripple is still bullish. So yeah, this one to look at, guys. When it's going bullish, then we could see a run. So yeah, nice chart here for sure. All right. Also, guys, join up with the CryptoPies feed where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs. When I find an ICO, I'll tell you guys the whitelist for it, so you are ready for the sale. At the moment, of course, don't expect any ICOs from me, because simply the fact, guys, the market is just very bearish, and that means your ICO just will not do well, right? So just don't expect it from me, all right? Also, guys, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz, and follow me on Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Pygoz. Both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you've got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.